Greetings, bienvenue, willkommen, and hello. I'm Patrick, part of the team here at Spendesk and CFO Connect, and it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the first ever CFO Connect Summit. We are so excited, and hopefully it's the first of many. CFO Connect is a global community of 7,000 finance leaders and growing, brought to you by Spendesk. We're so excited to kick off 3 days of keynotes, panel discussions, fireside chats, and Q&As. I'm blown away by the level of experience we have here today and for the next 3 days. The sessions are going to be incredible, and there's really no way that you could possibly be disappointed. For starters, we have speakers from household names like Vodafone, SAP, and PwC. And you'll also meet seasoned consultants from Acting Finance, Orbis, Talk Partners, and Lisom Finance. We have inspiring leaders from Heap and Heech, Impulsa and Intuit, WeFox and WeGift, Zappy, Zapier, ZenJob, and Zinkler. We're also joined by companies that raised serious funds recently, including Scallo and Spendesk. And hopefully we'll get a peek inside those stories. And you'll hear from renowned VCs like 8 Roads, Index Ventures, and the family, with insights no matter which stage you're at. But we also have a session all about profitability instead of fundraising, because moving from round to round just isn't right for every company. All of these experts are here to share their knowledge, experience, and hopefully some great stories. Outside these sessions, we also have partners here to give you a sneak peek inside their tools and services. You truly can leave on Thursday, not only with ideas and insights, but also tangibly improved finance processes to help you work a little smarter. Please take advantage of the chance to meet our partners, ask them the tough questions, do a few quick demos. It's not often you have all of them in one place. So that's what we promise you. But what can you do to get the most from the summit? Just remember this acronym, EATS. It's about food, so it must be a good acronym. So first, explore. We have more than 20 exciting sessions to join, so fill your calendar. But on top of those sessions, we also have breakout rooms and networking opportunities. So look around the summit a little bit. The only difference from a physical event for these next 3 days is that you won't get sore feet from walking all day. So please do that and also stop by some of those partner booths. Second, ask. Ask questions during the sessions. We can't promise we'll get to every one of them, but every session has time set aside for Q&A, so please take advantage of that. And also ask questions in the partner booths, as I said before. That's what they're there for. Third, tell. Tell us what you think. This is the first of many CFO Connect Summits, fingers crossed, and we genuinely want to know how you found the sessions, the virtual experience, the communication, anything that stands out. You'll have a chance in the sessions themselves because there'll be polls and you'll be able to ask questions the whole way through, but also please email hello@cfoconnect.eu anytime about anything at all. I'm sure you've already received emails from us, so you can just reply directly to those. And fourth, share. If you're having a good time, tell someone about it. A tweet or LinkedIn post would mean a lot to our community and to all the speakers. They're giving their time, energy, and knowledge, and we want to show them how much we appreciate it. So to recap, that's explore, ask, tell, share, or eat. Most of all, we just want you to connect. Connect with each other, with our partners, and with the whole CFO Connect experience. We are so thrilled to make this connection with you. Hopefully it'll be the same for you. There is one other person who wanted to speak to you all today. Dominique Farrar is the head of community here at Spendesk and is really the driving force behind CFO Connect. She has a short message to kick off the summit.
Welcome to the CFO Connect Summit 2021. I'm Dominique Farrar, Head of Community at CFO Connect, and we are thrilled to have you join us for our first ever virtual conference to celebrate and elevate the role of finance leaders around the world. Get ready for 3 action-packed days with our global CFO community, featuring panel discussions, workshops, and keynotes dedicated to the topics that matter most to modern finance teams. From accounting to cash flow management, fundraising, international expansion, and M&A deals, to digital transformation and the cutting-edge tech shaping the future of finance. We're covering all of it thanks to our amazing finance community who have come together to share their wisdom, expertise, and learnings with you in the days to come. You may be here for one particular session that speaks to you, or maybe you'll join us for the entire 3-day agenda. Either way, join as many sessions as you like by adding them to your calendar right from the Summit agenda page. During each session, you'll be able to ask questions to speakers in the Q&A section and chat with other attendees. And if you'd like to continue the conversation, check out the networking area, where you can join roundtables based on topics of interest or just based on where you're located in the world. We've also got some fantastic partners who are sharing tools, tech, and services that empower modern finance teams. So be sure to check them out in the booths area too. Once again, we are thrilled that you're here to learn, connect, and level up your finance leadership game with CFO Connect. And if you haven't officially joined the community, be sure to sign up at cfoconnect.eu. We'd love to have you join us. Enjoy the summit.
Well, I hope that whet your appetite and you're ready to dive into the wonderful sessions we have planned, because that's why we're all here, right? First up, in 20 minutes from now, we have the wise and wonderful Lucille Cornett, partner at 8 Roads. In her opening keynote, she'll explore why CFOs are so critical to startup success. She meets with startup leaders every day, and strong CFOs have the chance to make a real impact in these conversations. So do me a favor. This session is going to end in about 30 seconds. Grab a coffee or a glass of water, and then take your seat for Lucille's keynote at 11:30. You're definitely going to want to hear what she has to say. And I'll see you in there. Have a wonderful summit.